Finema Nature Park is a 1,000 hectares land of freshwater swamp forests lying along Nigeria's southern coastal area in Bonny Island, Rivers State. The park is a privately owned resource established in 1999 as part of Nigeria LNG Limited's response to the growing environmental global concerns and the need for corporate organizations to be environmentally responsible in order to achieve a more sustainable environment for future. LNG would also give back to the local community in which they work by helping to conserve part of their vast tropical swamp forests. Since inception, the park is financially supported by the Nigerian Liquefied Natural Gas, LNG, Limited under their biodiversity program. The aim is to protect the peculiar ecosystem and biodiversity within the area and also guarantee its ecological integrity. Finema Nature Park is currently being managed by Nigerian Conservation Foundation, who took over from the Niger Delta Wetlands Commission in 2011. The park is currently held in trust, in partnership with its immediate host, the Finema community. Finema Nature Park is divided into the eastern and western end with size 700 hectares and 300 hectares respectively. The Resource and Visitors Center is located at the entrance of the eastern end of the park. Finema Nature Park is host to diverse spawny species of flora and fauna, which is of great delight to tourists and nature lovers. It also serves as a field laboratory for intending researchers with a viable platform for environmental education and awareness. The park has great potentials for biodiversity conservation, research on coastal mangrove swamp ecosystem and open sandy beach marine environment, with valuable attributes for marine ecosystem conservation and sustainable livelihood opportunities. The Finema Nature Park is a natural park in Bonny Island, Rivers State, Nigeria, covering an area of approximately 1,000 hectares, 3.9 square miles. It was established by the Nigeria Liquefied Natural Gas Limited with the aim of conserving nature and biodiversity in the region. Finema's reserve area is covered by tropical rainforest and mangrove swamps. Some parts contain sand with freshwater ponds and tall timber between the swamps and the beach. Vegetation of the park has progressively developed into a high forest considering the form from which it began in 1999. Finema Nature Park is home to some wildlife species of high conservation value, a variety of mammals, birds and reptiles including crocodiles, snakes and alligators. The site of the nature park is the natural habitat of saltwater hippopotamuses. The area is protected by park rangers and hunting is prohibited.